Ladies and gentlemen, the BioTalk Live Session will commence anytime now. Please stay with us in this beautiful evening. Thank you in advance. Assalamualaikum and a very good evening to all our respected judges, dear participants, and our viewers today. Welcome to the BioTalk Live Session of BioChallenge 5.0 2022, Dive into Biology with New Excitement. I'm 𝐻𝚒𝚘𝚊𝚕𝚔 binti Abdul Rahman, your MC for today.
And I am 𝐻𝚒𝚎𝚘𝚎. To begin the ceremony with a blessing, I would like to call upon Amirul Shami to lead the prayer and a moment of silence to recite our own prayer.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We start our prayer with Kitab Al-Fatihah. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Arrahmanir rahim. Maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Ya Allah, Ya Rahman, Ya Rahim. Indeed, we gather today to express our gratitude for your priceless grace. Make us your servants who are always grateful for a little favor, especially for those who abound in us. Ya Allah, bless you and bless the journey of BioTalk Live Session BioChallenge 5.0 2022. Dive into biology with new excitement today. Indeed, you are all knowing that we here want to acquire your vast knowledge, to develop our knowledge as your servant, whom you are pleased with. So bless our gathering. Grant us your knowledge. Shine our hearts with your light and guidance. Hopefully, with it, we can easily accept, appreciate, and practice it with an open heart. Ya Zal Jalali wal Ikram, with the test that you have given to your servants, namely COVID-19, grant us health, mental fitness, peace of mind, strength of spirit. Even though we are far away from each other, even though this ceremony has to be done virtually, then please strengthen our hearts and minds as excellent and distinguished students of University Putra Malaysia. Hopefully, with this, we are able to face challenges, be competitive, and be able to elevate the dignity of ourselves, our families, our community, and our country. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. آمين. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Amirul Shami, for the prayer. Before going into the competition, let us look at the brief information on what BioTalk is. So, BioTalk is a scientific oral competition where the participants are free to select their own topic from the wide range of disciplines in biology. Shafiza, can you explain the rules and regulation for today's BioTalk live session?
Yes, sure, Hachana. The talk should be purely verbal communication in English. Participants are only given 3 minutes to deliver their talk. The judges are given 2 minutes to evaluate each of the participants. Each participant is as each participant is represented by their own code. For example, the first participant is coded as BT01. Participants are advised to not touch any kind of sensitive issues as it will lead to dismissal from the competition.
Thank you so much, Shafiza, for the explanation. I hope everyone understands the rules and regulations very clearly. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let's begin our competition today. The first participant is from Faculty of Biotechnology and Biomolecular Science, University Putra, Malaysia. This participant is going to talk about 50 shades of nanotechnology. The topic sounds interesting, right? I'm calling upon the first participant, BT01, to deliver his talk. Let's all enjoy this session.
All right, sound check one, two, three. Sound check one, two, three. All right. Okay, hello everyone. Faiz here. First of all, greetings I bid to the honorable judges stupendous lecturers and viewers. Just like Pretty Harchana has said, my topic would be nanogels 50 shades of nanotechnology. Well, I could see confused faces there. Is Faiz going to talk about romance? 50 shades of what? No, Bessie, no. Relax. I'm not going to talk about romance or love story by Taylor Swift, but it's all about nanotechnology. At this point, you might be wondering what is exactly nanogels? Alright, scientists define nanogels as a cross-linked spherical hydrogel particle with a typical scale of 20 to 200 nanometer. It is extremely small. You cannot see it through your naked eyes unless you have a bionic eyes that can work like a microscope, you know? To date, there are lots of research that reveal the use of nanogels, and the most prominent one is drug delivery. No, 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 not the one that causes you to go, but this is specific for medical purposes inside our bodies. Nanogels could encapsulate drugs or medicine and carry them precisely to the targeted site and degrade it by themselves when it is done, just like the origami. How do I visualize this? Since most of you are back in UPM already, we could imagine nanogels as a UPM bus that takes you everywhere you want to go inside the campus. And specifically, for example, from college to faculty science. Another one is non-invasive treatment. This can be achieved through the design of the nanogels itself that is functionalized to meet the body cell selectivity. So we could avoid from premature drug delivery that causes harm to our body. I see someone asking, how does nanogels administered in our body? Okay, it can be administered through two ways. The first one is orally, and the second one is through injection. Okay, quick one. Nanogels application covers treatment of cancer, cardiovascular diseases like coronary heart disease, and even bone regeneration. Nanogels is just like chef kiss. It has lots of advantages. It would be a lecture if I explain more in depth. Who knows? One day I might become your professor, Professor Dr. Faiz. Okay, everyone. The time is up. Thank you for listening. That's all about nanogels, 50 shades of nanotechnology. Faiz here with knowledge I serve. Thank you. Bye bye.
Wow, it was a great talk by BT01. I'm sure everyone gets to know something new from this talk. I can say this is a good start to a BioTalk live session today. Now, we will give some time for our judges to evaluate BT01.
Alright, moving on to our second participant, BT02. BT02 is from the Faculty of Science, University Putra Malaysia, and is going to talk about an interesting topic, which is biohacker. What is biohacker? Now, without further ado, I would like to give the spotlight to our next participant. Welcome, BT02.
Sound check. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So everyone, can you hear me? Okay, nice. So hello everyone. So today I'm going to talk about something that's must not really familiar, especially among biology students, which is called biohacker or biohacking. So basically, what is biohacker precisely? So biohacker is actually a person that use technology to modify their own bodies for either aesthetic or for functional reasons. So basically, what it means by technology, it does not really mean by just adding some chips into your body, but also could involve any chemical or gene therapy. That also some sort of uh, method that being used by biohacker. So I think many of you must be thinking like, what is the important basically of the biohacker? So basically, the main aim for biohacker is actually they want to give people the power to design their own biological destiny through access to the latest biological, genetic, or technological development science that can offer to them. So biohacker actually they believe that genetic information and biological enhancement should be democratic and to be open source so that individual can evolve. As we know, in biology, everything has their own evolution from time to time. And also for biohacker, they want it to be like they decide when they're going to evolve. So that's why they encourage the democratic and DIY technological development for human race. But also most biohacker are actually self-taught and learn by practicing their own body. So there's actually like a few of substrate in biohacker. We have like biopunks, which is an anarchist substructure that use cyborg style body modification. And then we have grinders, where they subset of biopunk who implants functional cybernetic technology into their own body. And then you also have do-it-yourself biologists, nutriogeometrists, and also open source transhumanists. So basically, biohacker actually also have been proposed by Elon Musk in the future, where he proposed in the future that human will need to implant computer chips into their brain to compete with artificial intelligence. And he actually already invested in a venture called Neuralink. And also, at the same time, at the current moment as we speaking, CRISPR gene technology has already begun their research on designers babies as for reality. And actually, there's also a few uh, example of people who have already done biohacker in real life. For example, I take a person named Gabriel Licina. Gabriel Licina uh, is an American man where he volunteered himself to be injected with chlorine E6 into his eyes. So basically, these substances actually can be found only in deep sea water creature, where we know in deep sea water is very dark, and when the substances is injected in his eyes, it allow him to see that more than 50 years away in a dark field. I mean, can you imagine that you don't need any like night Google vision or whatsoever to see in the dark? So I think that that's all from me, and it's an interesting topic. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Wow, thank you and good job BT02. That was an informative talk indeed. Now, we will let our honorable judges evaluate BT02.
Wow, nice speech by the past two contestants, right? So now it's time for our third speaker to give her speech. Our third speaker is from University Science Malaysia. She is going to talk about gut feelings 101. I wonder what other gut feelings are. Without wasting our time, let's all listen to her talk and gain some new knowledge.
Am I audible? All right. Okay. Starting my speech in 3, 2, 1. How often do you find yourself in a situation like this? What should I wear for today? Red or blue? What should I eat today? Chinese or Western? When you were a student, did you choose an option which felt the most right in exam? I'm sure you did. Or maybe you have even started thinking, why am I asking you all of these questions? But have you wondered what made you to do this? Gut feeling, as it is in English. Well, right now, my gut feeling says I should introduce you to my topic today. Good evening, dear MCs, my fellow participants, beautiful judges, and to everyone listening this. I'm Harvinda from University Science Malaysia. In my speech today, I'll be sharing about all that you need to know about gut feeling. And most importantly, how microbes influence our gut. Ladies and gentlemen, do you know what lives in your guts besides the lunch that you just ate? Microbes, small living organisms called sometimes bacteria, live in your guts. So if I ask you a question now, what probably can the microbes in your guts affect? You would probably say digestion, because that's the most logical answer anyway. In reality, we are what we eat because the microbiome in our guts directly influence our mood and emotions. Gut microbiomes actually communicate with our brain via the gut-brain axis. Certain microbiomes in our gut start digestion as soon as you smell the food. This is the particular reason why you may be fond of a certain type of food. Besides, the microbes in our gut also secrete biochemical substrates, which through cell signaling prepares our body for stress. So the next time your tummy is upset in an exam week, you know exactly who to blame. Although no specific microbes has been linked with a specific disease, a study revealed the direct association between irritable bowel syndrome and microbes. More surprisingly, decreased level of microbes are directly linked with mental health issues such as depression, anxiety disorder, and stress. So now you know that microbes actually produce neuroactive compounds like serotonin, cortisol. These are all major hormones started by these tiny living beings. So for such a long time, we have known that E. coli bacteria aids vitamin K production in our body. Decades later, we are now being continuously exposed to the fact why maintaining gut health is important. This study has catalyzed studies for how antibiotics should be prescribed and how these small little tiny beings can influence your behavior. There's one last question remain unanswered in this study. The presence or absence of certain microbes associated with various mental health issues and which also increases stress. So whether microbes affect brain or brain affect microbe, it is still unclear. Before I end my speech today, gut feeling is just a fancy word for instinct. But now you know that your gut do influence your mood. And the saying food for thought is real. With that, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you for lending your ears.
Wow, thank you so much BT03 for the interesting and very explanatory speech. I hope everyone gets to know more about gut feelings. It's time for our judges to evaluate this participant. After the evaluation, I will pass it to Shafiza.
Okay, we are moving on to our last participant, which is from the Faculty of Science, University Putra Malaysia, with the topic of truth behind the 79th organ, the mesentery. Um, that makes us even more curious about the 79th organ and the truth behind it, isn't it? So, welcome BT04. This stage is yours now.
Assalamualaikum and good evening to respective judges and all my beloved audience. So today, I want to open my talk today with a simple question. How many organs do humans have? Even though I cannot hear to you, I guarantee that 99.99% of all audience in this live session will say that we have 78 organs in our body. That's true. Surprisingly, in 2017, a group of scientists in anatomy medicine discovered a most remarkable history in human anatomy, which is the found of the 79th organ called the mesentery. The mesentery actually holds a lot of mystery since it's still vibing the debate between anatomy scientists that support the discovery of mesentery as an organ and some that did not. So today, together with me, we discover the mesentery as what is it, where is the location, and how does it function in our body. Mesentery is the organ in which all abdominal digestive organs develop. On top of that, mesentery also holds and connects all the intestines with the system of our body. But what actually does this specialized structure do to our body? scientists believe that masonry is a reason for allowing human, us, for stand upright that is associated with a vasculature. However, rationalization to which scientists do not recognize masonry as an organ is because the central dogma of systematic anatomy, by means linking body parts, does not appear to be sufficient enough to merit all the designation of an organs. Ladies and gentlemen, intended on bringing masonry as a topic of my speech today, because even some of us did not realize that actually we carry this 50 centimeter long masonry in our own body. There are still multiple aspects of masonry that still remain undiscovered until the day I speak about this. As for now, we understood the anatomy, which is similar to an event that occurred not long ago when the early scientists has discovered the DNA structure and followed by the functions. I will strongly believe that because we know the anatomy of the masonry, we can bring humanity to a very exciting point as start to discover more and more about the science of masonry as well as associated disease and the treatment. Therefore, these are the truth behind the tool 79th organ, the masonry. Thank you for lending me your ear.
Thank you so much, VT04, for the brilliant and informative talk. Now we know what is the truth behind the 79th organ. I hope we can learn and gain some knowledge from all the participants today. Now, we will give our judges time to evaluate the last participant. After the evaluations are done, I will pass back to Hachana.
All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, our event has come to its end. Before ending our live session today, on behalf of the BioChallenge 5.0 2021-2022 committee, I would like to thank all our respected judges for your time and dedication that made it possible for us to reward students for their creative efforts on this beautiful yet hot Sunday. Dear our live viewers today in YouTube, thank you everyone for gracing our ceremony with your presence. We truly appreciate it a lot. On behalf of the organizing committee, I would like to apologize if we have made any mistake throughout this event. To all the UPM students, you may prepare to scan the QR code for merit at the end of this event.
Dear participants and viewers, the closing ceremony of BioChallenge 5.0 2021-2022 will be starting off shortly. We will be announcing the winners of all 8 categories, so please stay with us.
Before starting with our closing ceremony, let us have a look at our video teaser of BioChallenge 5.0 2021-2022. Alright, I'm sure everyone would have loved our video teaser. So, Shafiza, do you know how our previous terms of BioChallenge were carried out?
I am not sure. Can you tell me about it, Hashana?
No worries, Shafiza. I'll tell about it. BioChallenge 1.0, 2.0, 3.0 were carried out face to face. For the first time ever, unfortunately, due to the COVID 19 pandemic, BioChallenge 4.0 was conducted online. Although it was conducted online, BioChallenge 4.0 managed to receive a quite big number of participants, not only from UPN but various institutions like Matriculation College, Institusi Pengajian Guru, private, and other public universities.
Wow, that's amazing. Kudos to all our BioChallenge committees. They have really done a good job. Not forgetting our BioChallenge 5.0 2022 this year. The organizing committee had reached a milestone by designing 2 more new categories. They have changed the history of BioChallenge having 6 categories, and now BioChallenge 5.0 2022 has 8 fantastic categories.
Wow, BioChallenge program had never failed to amaze the students every year. Shafiza, are you excited to watch the video presentation of our participants?
Of course, yes, Hajana. I am very excited to have a look at them. So now, let us watch some of our Bio Challenge participants' presentations. The first will be about Bio Innovate commercial products. In Bio Innovate commercial products categories, students need to design and come up with bio product. Wow. But participants of this category really need to think out of the box. So let's enjoy.
I guess there is some technical issues, and I'm sure the video will be up very soon. So I hope all the audiences would wait for some time. Thank you very much. Okay, so meanwhile, Shafiza, can you talk about the previous four participants who talked? What do you think about them actually?
Yeah, sure. For me, their topic is very interesting, and we gain a lot of knowledge from it. It lasts like less than 1 hour that we gain more knowledge about it. How about you, Hachana?
Yes, true. Throughout the participant where they talk about 50 Shades of Nanotechnology, gut feelings, biohacker, and other topics. Wow, I was amazed because I've never heard this kind of topics before this actually. Because I'm a first year student, and I'm sure Shafiza is a first year student as well because we are in the same course actually. So once we are in this one, this is something very new for us actually. Among the four participants, which one do you like the most actually?
I don't want to be biased though, but we have to choose one, right? So, in my opinion, I I choose the gut feeling because it relates to our mood, like what we eat. If we eat like something bad, it can cause our mood become like bad or like mood swing like that. So it's kind of good for us to learn and to get healthy diet to not get mood swing or something like that. How about you, Hashana? Which one do you like?
Oh, I feel I like the same as you as well, gut feelings, because not only the topic, also I like the way she presented her voice tone and all that. It was really interesting. Somehow, did you realize she's the one of the participant who is our public participant, and others all were from our university. Yeah, that's what I like.
Yeah, she's the only one who from the other university, right? Our others participant is on University Putra Malaysia. So like she's very brave like to participate in our program in our competition. Oh, Hashana, I want to ask you, which one of the topic like seriously make you shocked and like wow, this is new knowledge for me?
I think it's biohacker actually because I've never heard it about it before. And according to our previous seniors, I just got to know that the BT03 who talked about gut feelings, she was actually our former participant of our BioChallenge 4.4.
Oh, is that true? Oh, okay.
Okay,
Oh,
let's
now
enjoy the video.
okay, the video is Hashana, I will pass to you back.
When did it start? How long has it been here? Even when the Squid Game is such a big hit throughout the world, the coronavirus somehow still maintains its popularity. How will we ever feel safe again? Girl, have you washed your hand? Me no need to wash one. Washing our hands all the time can be quite a burden, am I right? Well, you're in luck. We proudly introduce to you our new product, the 𝐸𝑐𝑡𝑜𝑃𝑜𝑡𝑜𝑚 soap, with the tagline, Clean to Win. Yes, it's not an ordinary soap. It's a jelly soap that cleans and can also be used as a fun game. Now, why in the world did we make this? We want to.
We have incorporated plant extract in the soap so you can enjoy their benefits for the skin. And the sole reason why you should buy our product, the lemon mint soap. lemon is a natural bleaching agent with antioxidant properties that pairs perfectly with the refreshing mint that suits the skin. The lavender soap. Lavender, don't be fooled by its beauty and fragrance. It actually has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, and it's perfect for treating skin problems. Plus, we use butterfly flower pea as the natural blue coloring. The chrysanthemum rose soap. Both flowers are equally beneficial as when we combine both forces. These two plants can help you to look younger with the help of their anti-aging astringent agent.
Unlike any ordinary soap, ours are engraved with a certain type of shape and that will be used for a quick and fun game. The game involves the player carefully tracing the engraved part of the soap to obtain the main shape by using a toothpick without breaking it. If that isn't challenging enough, we are here to tell you that the game should be completed in less than 5 minutes. You can even compete with your friends to see who can complete the challenge with the shortest amount of time. So basically, this is not only a game for children, it is a family-friendly game where you can bond with your family members through this challenge.
That's not all. For every purchase of our product, a free flashcard will be given as a gift. There are some fun facts of the plants that we use in the particular soap on that flashcard. Children also can read it because we are written the fact in a simple way and easy to understand. So while we add on something as the gift, this is because hope that we able to instill awareness about the importance of the plants and the uses in life.
The Octo Potong Soap is a very great product for cleanliness and fun activity with a small gift that acts as educational material. We have tested out the product and it works really very well with some trace of plant material sensation to scrub your skin gently. And not only does this soap has a very fragrant floral and fruity smell. The knowledge behind the plant ingredients from the fresh scrub is a very memorable and informative gift for you. And so if you are interested in our product, you can go to our Shopee page and choose all favorite scene of your soap. Our soaps are handmade with love. Stay safe and stay clean. Win.
Use the Shopee link here to buy our products now for only 12 ringgit per set.
Wow, Octo Potong Soap. The name sounds very unique and interesting, right, Shafiza?
Yes, it really is.
I think it's a good deal if you purchase it because it comes with a free gift. Furthermore, the price is very reasonable, which is RM12. They also have games. Sounds cool, right? Time to explore their Shopee, I guess. How about you, Shafiza?
I agree with you, Hashana. Besides, it is very convenient referring to their product size and it's a locally made product. We should support small business like this. Plus, their video presentation is really fun with informative details. Now, let's move on to our next video, which is Bio Innovate, which is STEM teaching tools. I'm sorry. In this category, students are required to create STEM teaching tools based on the themes given. That's interesting, right? Hope everyone enjoys the upcoming videos and gets to know many more new things.
We will wait for some time.
Before we waiting for the video, I would like to ask Hachana, what do you think about the auto potong soup? Like, if uh, do you want to buy it, and what is the reason if you want to buy it?
Um, my opinion, I think I would buy it because if you see, I'm not buying it just because it's a soap. You just realize that that's actually like game, and if you realize the game actually relates to Squid Game because like you have to trace out and then you get the shape right, and also that I will also buy the soap because as what you said, we have to support the small business and local businesses in Malaysia because I'm sure when they create this product, they would actually make importance for the customers users. I'm sure that they want the customers to gain more impact from that kinds of soap. How about you, Shafiza? Will you buy it?
Yes, I think I will buy it because it's locally made product. So the ingredients, like they will use lack of chemical ingredients. Okay, that's all from us. Now let's presenting the video.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. In this video, our group will be showing our DIY model on cell signaling in breast cancer. Breast cancer is cancer that develops in breast cells. Typically, the cancer forms in either the lobules or the ducts of the breast. Cancer occurs when changes called mutations take place in genes that regulate cell growth. The mutations let the cells divide and multiply in an uncontrolled way. The uncontrolled cancer cells often invade other healthy breast tissue and can travel to the lymph nodes under the arms. The lymph nodes are a primary pathway that help the cancer cells move to other parts of the body. HER2 can impact a network of messages or signals inside the cell that help tell the cell to grow, divide, or stay alive. When there is too many signals running through the HER pathway, it can lead to uncontrolled cell growth and potentially contribute to cancer development. Then, the following ATP-mediated autophosphorylation will activate the PI3K-AKT and MAPK pathways. These events will lead to cell proliferation and cell survival. So, how is it treated? Lapatinib is the only HER2 small molecule TKI approved for breast cancer patients. This dual inhibitor is able to target the TK domains of both EGFR and HER2, acting as an ATP competitor. The interaction with the receptors prevent the phosphorylation and subsequent signal transduction of the MAPK and the PI3K-AKT pathways, leading to inhibition of cell proliferation and apoptosis induction. Be vigilant about breast cancer detection. If you notice any changes in your breast, such as a new lump or skin changes, consult your doctor. Also, ask your doctor when to begin mammograms and other screenings based on your personal history. Not only that, a healthy lifestyle will also reduce the chances of getting breast cancer as well. That's all from us. Thank you.
Wow, this is very valuable information. As a woman, this awareness is very important because it helps us in the early detection of cancer cells. Furthermore, cancer is very common nowadays. Through this awareness, it helps us in the prevention of breast cancer. What's your opinion on this, 𝐻𝚒𝚘𝚘?
Yeah, I really love how detailed they can make the video with awesome animation so that all of us can understand the reproduction of cancer cells in breast tissues. For your information, animation and simulation educational video like this are really suitable for students like us to understand more instead of depending 100% on the lecture notes. Don't be afraid to learn new techniques for effective learning. Next, let us move on to another video which is from Bio Poetry video. I think this is the last video, right? So this Bio Poetry video is the category when the participants think creatively to create one poem based on biology. Oh, I'm sorry, this is not the last video, but please enjoy.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Eileen Adeline from College Genius Insight. I'm 13 years old. Have you seen what's happening to our Earth today? There are earthquakes, landslides, tsunami, floods. There are disasters everywhere. Do you think it's fair to our Mother Earth? This is why I am going to spread the message by reciting a poem entitled Be Kind to Our Dear Earth. Garbages are everywhere, like no one cares. Plastic and chemicals are everywhere. Damages to our home we cannot repair. Barren mountains and dirty oceans affected us by pollutions. Fresh air and scenic view seems to disappear. Phew! People busy making cash, ignoring what's in their trash. Changing our weather, making many suffer. Climate is getting warmer. Ocean water is getting dirtier. Alas, corporations are getting richer. Our air quality is getting poorer. Everyone must cooperate before it is too late. Everyone must be aware. It is up to us to care. We, the younger generations, do care. Corporations polluting the air, beware. We have to stop polluting our air and water. We want to be healthy and live longer. Our earth is unique with its beauty. We have to protect it with sincerity. We want clean air and water. We want to be healthy and live longer. We have lived in this world for thousands of years. It's the first time global warming causes us to fear. We want humankind to exist forever. We want Earth to heal for the better. Thank you very much for listening to my humble self. I hope my poem was able to spread the message to protect the Earth for our future generations. Thank you.
Wow, amazing poetry by a 13-year-old girl. Not forgetting, the way she delivered her poetry was very impressive and clear. Adding on, she also conveyed a very important information through her poetry, which is about global warming. Everyone needs to take action on this to prevent the further happening of this serious issue. Share your opinion, 𝐻𝚒𝚘𝚘.
I agree with you. Her body language with perfect intonation is really impressive. From her poem, there are a lot of messages that she wants to share with us about the effect of neglecting Mother Earth. So guys, do your job as a responsible person as much as you can to protect our beautiful planet, the Earth. So now, the next video is from Bio Video. Bio Video is the category where the participants work in a group and make one video from the four domain topics from the biology department. Hope you guys can watch and get some knowledge from it.
My life is so messed up lately. I don't want to live in this world anymore. Hey, chill. Come here. I can help you. Oh, yeah. But what is this? Huh? This? This thing is very valuable. It can help you escape from reality and make you happy all the time. Here, take mine. I don't mind sharing with you. We are friends, right? Oh, cool. Sounds interesting. So, how do I do this?
Hey, are you alright? What happened to you?
I'm not sure. I'm not feeling very well.
Your face looks very pale and tired. Your eyes also turn yellowish. Do you want to go to clinic?
No, I'm fine. I think I'm just too tired because there's a lot of assignments lately.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
This is not normal. Let's go to the clinic.
No, I don't want.
No, I will take you to the clinic or
Okay.
I will tell mom about this.
Okay, I'll
Right,
go.
Let's wait for the doctor.
Hello, welcome. So, what's brings you here today?
Yes, so actually my sister forced me to come here. She said that my face looks pale and my eyes also turns yellowish. I don't know since when, but my body also feels fatigue. I have no appetite at all and have abdominal pain. And I also just vomited after eating much food.
Okay, so before that, I would like to ask you a question. So, I would like to apologize if this question is quite sensitive. So, are you sexually active or taking any drugs before?
Seriously, doctor, you're asking me the questions?
It's just a question.
Okay, I think I don't have to answer the question because yeah, it's my privacy thing.
Alright. So, okay. Let me do a blood test on you. So, it is a lot easier to see what's the problem. Welcome.
Hi.
So, how are you doing today?
Feel good today.
Alright, so this is your result from our previous sessions. So I am sorry to inform you that you are infected with hepatitis B. So we found that hepatitis B virus in you. So here's the result. Okay, first you need to avoid drinking alcoholic beverage. Studies show that this alcohol will increase the replications of the hepatitis B virus that will damage your liver. Other than that, you need to eat healthy foods such as meat, vegetables, whole grains, and also fish that has been shown to help to protect your liver against the environmental chemical. And other than that, later at medicine counter, you will be prescribed medicine that you need to be taken regularly in order to reduce the risk of your hepatitis B virus before you seek advice from the specialist. So I think that's all from me. I hope you are in good condition in future.
Alright, noted that, doctor. Thank you so much.
Wow, Very informative video. There are so many things to learn from this video. As human beings, we should know the consequences of this kind of disease. I hope through this video, all the audiences got to know more about it. Passing it to you, Shafiza.
Thank you, Hashana. As you guys see, bad lifestyles, unhealthy diet, and bad practice of hygiene can bring diseases to people. From the video, we know that this disease can change our lives drastically. So it is crucial to always keep your hygiene clean, choose a healthy diet, and live a good lifestyle from the start. Instead of doing the harmful stuff, we can always seek professional help. So, we already watched the video and got new and exciting knowledge from it. We hope you guys really enjoy it. Moving on to the next video, which is also the bio video. Please enjoy.
Hey guys!
Hi.
Hi!
How are you all?
Hey, what happened, doctor? What's up?
Yeah, I handled a patient with crabs today.
Crabs? What's that? I've never heard of it before.
I've heard of it. I think it's a form of STD, isn't it? Sure is, but with lice.
Oh, that's new. So instead of viruses, lice gets transmitted during sex?
Yeah, it sure is possible. They infect pubic hairs from one person to another.
Interesting.
Hi, I love you. I love you too. Yay. Oh my god, no. Oh no. Yep, that's exactly how it happens.
Question, why are the lice called crabs?
Well,
they basically resemble one. Look at its legs. It looks like crab's claw, right?
oh my god, right.
That literally scares me so much. I have crabphobia. Oh my god, you guys, I can't.
How do you kill these crab-like creatures, like, without harming your genitals?
Yeah, like, could the trick be to just get rid of all your hair? Is that possible?
Yeah, for sure. There are light-skin shampoos, lotions that should contain either 1% of permethrin or a mousse containing pyrethrin and piperonil butazide.
All those fancy chemicals and lotions, the shampoo should get the job done, right?
Exactly. Glad to know that there are treatments available.
So relief.
Hair, don't worry, I will help you.
Yay!
Let me kill the lice.
Yay!
No! Yay, thank you. Also, to ensure the efficiency of the mats, the infectee must sterilize their sheets, towels, and anything that is possibly infected due to the contact.
Absolutely. Just like lice, they leave their eggs everywhere.
Yeah, needs to be precise.
Very interesting.
This whole thing gives me the shivers and sounds like a lot of work. How can crabs be prevented?
I believe using, since it's a great way to prevent transmission of
When it
STDs
comes to
during
crabs,
sex.
not even a condom can save you or your partner. The prevention It's no sex. Just get yourself treated before anything. So you need to get a consultation if you start itching down there.
But why? Well, pretty sure a condom isn't able to cover the genital area where the lyses are at.
Hey, what are you going to do? Don't worry, I will protect him. I'm gonna latch on to the hair. You can't protect her from me. Watch me. Watch me.
Hey,
This is easy. Very easy. No. See?
Wait,
No.
what?
No!
That's right. Hairs everywhere around the genitals.
Wait, so what if the infectee shaves? What happens then? Can the crabs latch onto?
The lice could go onto other body parts with hair and continue to latch on and lay their eggs.
What do you mean? So crabs don't just stay in the pubes?
As long as there's hair, there's me.
Looks like they just survive anywhere as long as they're hair. Jeez, sneaky little parasites.
So, moral of the story?
Get yourself checked before any sexual intercourse and don't have too much confidence with strangers.
Wow, we have another bio video from our participant based on sexually transmitted disease. I guess this is very important for all of us. Also, I learned that this kind of disease can spread through lysis. Today is the first time I'm hearing about this. How about you, Shafiza?
I heard about STD disease, but this is also my first time to knowing the facts and cause of it. It gets really interesting that we learn new things in more than 1 hour. I feel my brain is growing bigger now. I'm pretty sure our participants are feeling the same too. Now I will pass back to Hachana.
All right, I think it's time for us to start with our closing ceremony of BioChallenge 5.0 2021-2022 winners. So that is all from us. We end our duty as the MCs for BioTalk Live. Now we are passing it on to the masters of closing ceremony. Thank you. Signing off, Harshana and Shafiza.
Ladies and gentlemen, the closing ceremony will commence shortly. Please stay with us and enjoy our closing ceremony this evening. Thank you in advance. Greetings to Yang Berbahagia Professor Madya Dr. Muhammad Basharuddin Abdul Rahman, the Dean Faculty of Science, FRSC, FIAAM, University Putra Malaysia. Yang Berbahagia Professor Madya Dr. Noor Azwadi Abdul Aziz, Deputy Dean of Academics and Student Affairs. Yang Berusaha Miss Noor Zaina Darus, Senior Assistant Registrar of Academic, Student and Alumni Affairs. Yang Berusaha Dr. Muhammad Noor Hisham Muhammad Nazir, the advisor of Club Mahasiswa Biologi, KMB, and Program BioChallenge 5.0 2021-2022. Ms. Anna Karenina binti Surya Nadi, the Director of BioChallenge 5.0 2021-2022. Participants and other guests, welcome to the closing ceremony of BioChallenge 5.0 2021-2022. Dive into biology with new excitement. I'm Sneha.
And I'm Adiba, your MCs for today. To begin our closing ceremony with a blessing, I would like to invite Amirul Shahmi bin Sheikh Rozilan to lead the prayer and a moment of silence to recite our own prayer.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We start our prayer with Ummul Kitab Al-Fatihah. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Arrahmanir rahim. Malik yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Ya Allah, Ya Rahman, Ya Rahim. Indeed, we gather today to express our gratitude for your priceless grace. Make us your servants who are always grateful for a little favor, especially for those who abound in us. Ya Allah, bless you and bless the journey of Closing Ceremony BioChallenge 5.0 2022. Dive into biology with new excitement today. Indeed, you are all knowing that we here want to acquire your vast knowledge, to develop our knowledge as your servant whom we are pleased with. So bless our gathering. Grant us your knowledge. Shine our hearts with your light and guidance. Hopefully, with it, we can easily accept, appreciate, and practice it with an open heart. Ya Zal Jalali wal Ikram, with the test that you have given to your servants, namely COVID-19, grant us health, mental fitness, peace of mind, strength of spirit. Even though we are far away from each other, even though this ceremony has to be done virtually, then please strengthen our hearts and minds, excellent and distinguished students of University Putra Malaysia. Hopefully, with this, we are able to face challenges, be competitive, and be able to elevate the dignity of ourselves, our families, our community, and our country. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون والسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. آمين. Thank you.
Thank you, Amirul, for the prayer. May our ceremony today go off without a hitch and be a blissful one. Before starting our event today, here's a montage video of BioChallenge 5.0 2021-2022 prepared by the organizer. Thank you for the montage video earlier. Honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen, for the first 3 years, BioChallenge 5.0 dive into biology with new excitement 2021-2022 has been a series of programs under the Club Mahasiswa Biologi, KMB. After 3 years of being physically carried out, KMB was able to make a difference last year by having the program operate virtually. Hence, the program was carried out virtually again this year. The name of the program implies that it tries to develop students' hidden abilities and
and soft skills while taking into account the virtual component. This contributes to the Program Educational Objectives (PEO) of the Bachelor of Biology with Honours program, which is to develop biologists who are educated in theoretical and practical areas as well as applying them in real-life settings. Furthermore, through competitions, this program strives to create a healthy competitive mindset. To accomplish all of these objectives, BioChallenge 5.0 has 6 competition categories: BioTalk, BioPhoto, BioInfographic, BioInnovate, BioEssay, and BioVideo. Adding on, there were 2 new categories introduced, which were Biocomics and Biopoetry. This year, we received a total of 231 submissions from both UPM and the public.
Now, with all due respect, I would like to invite the Program Director of BioChallenge 5.0 2021-2022, Ana Karenina binti Suryanadi, to deliver a speech.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening to all. Yang berbahagia, Profesor Dr. Mahmat Basharuddin Abdul Rahman, Dean Faculty of Science, University Putra Malaysia. Yang berbahagia, Associate Professor Dr. 𝐚𝐭𝐭𝐞𝐧𝐭 bin Abdul Aziz, Deputy Dean of Academic and Student Affairs. Yang berbahagia, Associate Professor Dr. Nur Aini Zati Muhammad Zainuddin, Head of Department of Biology, Faculty of Science, University Putra Malaysia. Yang berusaha, Ms. Nur Zaina Darul, Senior Assistant Registrar of Academic, Student and Alumni Affairs, Faculty of Science, University Putra Malaysia. Yang berusaha, Dr. Muhammad Nur Hisham Muhammad Nazir, Advisor Kelab Mahasiswa Biologi, Department of Biology, Faculty of Science, University Putra Malaysia. First of all, I would like to thank everyone for attending our closing ceremony. After 6 amazing days and this evening, we are going to conclude our program. This year, BioChallenge 5.0 2022 program come out with a theme different from previous years and is in line with the concept of new norms that have begun to be ingrained among students and society. The theme for the BioChallenge 5.0 is Dive into Biology with New Excitement, which further encourage the exploration of biological knowledge with new methods that are more interesting and effective. Ladies and gentlemen, due to the pandemic COVID-19, our program needs to be held online, yet the excitement and the support from everyone for this program are highly encouraging. This year, our program has received plenty of participation and I'm so thankful for the support of our program. On this occasion too, I would like to express my appreciation to those who have in succeeding this program, especially to the advisor, Dr. Muhammad Nur Hisham Muhammad Nazir, and Ms. Nur Zaina Darus that always be there to give advice and provide guidance to me and the committee members. Also, I want to thank the committee members and the participants too. Thank you for your support. Last but not least, I would like to thank our honorable judges for sharing expertise in your skill with the support offered to complete the program successfully. I hope that this program has benefited every one of you, and I also hope that from this program, you guys have gained new knowledge and enhanced your soft skill. I would like to say thank you to those who have been involved in this program to make sure that this program succeeds. And that's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Ana Karenina, our Program Director of BioChallenge 5.0 2021-2022. I pass to Sneha for the first prize giving session.
Thank you, Adiba. Okay, so now we are moving on to our most awaiting session. Yes, the prize giving session for all the categories. Well, we are delighted to announce the winners of Category 1 BioTalk. Only 3 of the 4 contestants will be chosen as the winners in this category. Are you guys ready to know who the top 3 winners are? Because definitely I am. So, the third place in this category is won by Putri Nurul Izzah binti Azman with her top title, The Mesentery. Sorry for the technical error. To Muhammad Faiz bin Abu Samad with his top titled Nanogels. Okay, followed by the second place goes to Harvinder Kaur anak perempuan Jasmine Singh with her talk title Gut Feelings 101. And as for the champion of this category is won by Putri Nurul Izzah binti Azman with her talk title The Misandry. Congratulations to all the winners.
Next, we will jump into the next category, bioinfographic prize giving session. For your information, bioinfographics are visual representations of information that implies the sets of info that will be displayed in a unique way that can be seen and provides a universal conclusion for all the viewers. In conclusion, to create a good infographic, the participant need to include minimal text, which can easily be understood, and integrated with visually interactive design and color. So, from 38 participants, these are the best 3 works selected to be in the bioinfographic finalists based on the criteria highlighted just now. So, all the works of our finalists are very, very engaging, but only 3 best of the best works are selected. So we begin with the third place. The third place goes to Nabila binti Yazid. Followed by the second place goes to Muhammad Faiz bin Abu Samad. And the champion for bioinfographic category is Murni binti Halim. By the way, Sneha, do you know that we also have the most popular award for bioinfographic category?
Oh my god, I didn't know that we had the most popular award for bioinfographic. I'm excited to know who this award goes to.
Okay, so the most popular bioinfographic award goes to Muhammad Amin Ikram bin Roslam. So congratulations to all the winners.
Next, we will be going into the third category, bioessay. In total, the bioessay has received about 23 entries. The distribution of prizes is according to the student's year of study. The majority of the topics highlighted by the participants managed to attract the attention of the jury. I bet they have some difficulties in deciding the winner. So, we will start with the first year. The winner for the bioessay category from first year is Jessica Mykrina Julius with her essay titled The Consequences of Losing Biodiversity. So, the winner for the bioessay category for the second place is for the second year is 𝐸𝑰𝑐𝑧𝑰 with his topic title How Leeches Have to Treat Wounds. And finally, the bioessay category, the winner for third year goes to Wan Sharul Nazri bin Wan Shahari with the topic How the White Blood Cells Fight Diseases. Congratulations to all the winners.
The following category will be bio video. So any guesses which video might be in the first place? Okay, so from the total 10 participations, the third place of bio video category is won by Nur Anissa binti Tahir and her team members with their video title Return of Traps. Next, the second place goes to Nur Asma Saleha binti Nasri and her team members with their video title Lola's Story. And the champion for bio video category won by Tan Kai Ling and her team members with their video title The Great Calamity Disease Syphilis. Congratulations to all the winners.
We'll next proceed to the Bio Innovate prize presentation. STEM teaching tools and commercial products are divided into two sections in Bio Innovate. Both are designed to highlight and channel the integration of students' ideas with their newfound knowledge in order to create valuable products and teaching tools in the future. So, shall we announce the winners, Diba?
Yes, Neha. Proceed.
Okay. So without further ado, the third place in the STEM teaching tools goes to Nur Ain binti Azhar and her team with the project named Cell Signaling in Breast Cancer. The second place in the STEM teaching tools category goes to Nur Hidayah binti Roslan and her team with their project named Model of Gastroesophageal Reflux Disease in Old Age. And the first place in the STEM teaching category tools category is won by Nur Shuhada binti Zaharin and her team members with their project name Contraction and Relaxation of Arm Muscle. Congratulations to all the winners. So, now let us move on to the Bio Innovate Commercial Products Prize Giving Session. So, the third place in the Commercial Products category is won by Muhammad Afiq Zakwan bin Zaidi and his team with their project Rosoforel. The second place in the commercial products category is won by Nur Alia binti Muhammad Rizal and her team members with their project named Liplicious. Finally, the champion of Bio-Innovate commercial product goes to Balkis binti Hasanuddin with their project named 𝐸𝐵. Congratulations to all the winners.
Okay, so now we'll next go to the biophoto prize presentation. For your knowledge, there are 73 entries in the bio, and that was truly indeed a grueling competition. So I'm sure taking a photo, gorgeous photo isn't here. A pleasing image, consider location, lighting factors. So plus a good camera and good photographic skills are also required of the contestants, right? So which of these three finalists has the ability to fascinate the judges? So the third place in the biophoto category goes to Hanan Fatih binti Kamal Arifin. And the second place goes to Asha binti Perkin. And the champions picture that won hearts of the judges was a picture of Izzatul Afrika binti Kamarul Lail. Anyway, biophoto also has the pop art. So the most popular biophoto award goes to Asha binti Perkins. Congratulations to all us, aka our talented photographers.
The following category is the winners of Bio Poetry. Bio Poetry is a new category added to BioChallenge 5.0 2021-2022. In this category, the winners are chosen based on their creativity and originality in writing a poem based on biology. I'm sure participants had a great opportunity to show their language and writing skills as well as via this competition. So, let's look at the winners for this category. The third place of Bio Poetry goes to Cheryl Rush Anak Perempuan Johnson Raju with her poetry titled Our Mother. Followed by the second place of Bio Poetry goes to Eileen Adeline binti Muhammad Ihsan Chew with her poetry title Be Kind to Our Dear Earth. Finally, the champion of Bio Poetry goes to Nur Aziliana binti Muhammad Ashri with her poetry titled A Note from Slave Ghost. Congratulations to all the winners. You all are great poets.
Finally, it's time to move on to the category. And this category is also a new category added to BioChallenge 5.0 2021-2022, which is biocomics. The comics submitted for the competitions are based on the domain of biology, and sure, this able to unleash the inner creativity of participants by coming up with an interesting storyline and illustrating them in their comic either in 2D or 3D. So we received a total of 42 participants, and it's quite impressive that biocomics have received such a big numbers of. So now, the third place for this category goes to Nur Alia Nabiha binti Nasrun with her comic title Internal and External Fertilization. The second place goes to Nur Asma Soreha binti Nasri with her title Development of Internal Fertilized Embryos. And the champion of biocomics category is Ashrani Aishar binti Zainal with her comic title Captive Breeding in Wild Animals. And not forgetting the most popular for this category, the biocomic that won the most votes is the biocomic of Dayana Afrina binti Irawan with her title The Change We Make. A heartfelt congratulations to all the winners. All of you have done a very, very good job. And those who didn't manage to win the passing, don't worry, you guys can show your talent in BioChallenge 6.0 next year.
Congratulations to all the winners and also participants for giving the best in all the categories held under BioChallenge 5.0 2021-2022. On behalf of the entire team of BioChallenge 5.0, I would like to use this opportunity to thank all the students and lecturers who have involved and worked hand in hand to make this event a successful one. With that, we have come to the end of this event, and to all the viewers, please be ready to scan the QR code displayed on the screen for merit purposes. That is all from me, Sneha.
And me, Adiba, and we end our duty as masters of the ceremony this evening. Bye!
Thank you.